Hi, this is homilychart. I'm Tanya. Today we're going to learn DMI. DMI is a trend indicator. First, we need to calculate plus DM. Plus DM equals to today high minus yesterday high. If it's below 0, then we use 0. Step 2, we calculate minus DM. Minus DM equals to yesterday low minus today low. If it's below 0, then we use 0. So plus DM shows how much the high moves, and minus DM shows how much the low moves. Step 3, we need to calculate TR. TR is the maximum value among those three items. The first one is today high minus today low. The second item is today high minus yesterday close. The third item is today low minus yesterday close. Then we pick the biggest value among them. Then we calculate plus DI. Plus DI equals to plus DM divided by TR, then times 100. Minus DI is same. We use minus DM divided by TR, then times 100. After that, we need to calculate the 14 days moving average of DI. First, we need to calculate the plus DI 14 days. The formula is like this: 14 DI average. And we calculate minus DI 14 is same. We use minus DI the 14 days. So this is average plus DI within 14 days. This is minus DI within 14 days. After that, we need to calculate DX. DX equals to plus DI minus DI and times plus DI plus minus DI. This is DX. Then we calculate ADX. ADX is 6 days moving average of DX. After we calculate ADX, then we calculate ADXR. ADXR is we use today ADX plus yesterday ADX, then divided by 2. So here we got 4 lines: plus DI, minus DI, and ADXR. The plus DI line, this is a rising line, and the minus DI, this is a falling line. ADX and ADXR, this is a trend line. Look at this chart. This is candle chart, and below is DMI indicator. Here we see 4 lines: red line, yellow line, blue line, and white line. First, we see the red line and yellow line. The red line is plus DI and the yellow line is minus DI. When we find the red line upward cross yellow line, this is a buy point. And when we find the red line downward cross yellow line, this is a sell point. In this chart, we find if we buy at here and sell at here, and we make profits. And after that, we find the red lines keep below the yellow line, so there's no buy point. So in this chart, these 2 lines works well. So we use the red line and the yellow line for buy and sell. Besides, the white line and the blue line represents for the trend. Because we use plus DI times minus DI, we get the ADX and ADXR. So when DI very big, then ADX will big also. But if DI very small, then ADX will small. So if there's plus DI and minus DI, they both very small, then the lines, this white line and the blue line will turn downwards. So these 2 lines in sideways will go to downwards, but in uptrend and in downtrend, both the 2 lines will be in uptrend. Look at here. The chart is in uptrend, we find these two lines also in uptrend. And here the chart is in sideways, we find the line, these two lines is in downtrend. And after that the trend turn to downtrend, but these two lines will turn to uptrend. So this is a very interesting sign. So we use the red line and the yellow line for buy and sell, and we use the white line and the blue line for the trend. Today we learned DMI. DMI in sideways, ADX will downwards and ADXR will also turn to downwards. But in uptrend or in downtrend, both ADX and ADXR will turn to upwards. Long-term investment can use DMI for weekly and monthly chart. If you want to learn more about stock knowledge, you can follow my Telegram channel.